Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm excited to bring you the second video in the Product Insights series where we'll dive into a crucial aspect of getting the most out of product insights using the Usermaven identify function. In this video, we'll go over how to send the user and company attributes using this particular function. But let's start with the typical user journey. Imagine a new user signs up to your SaaS platform. They fill out a form with their name and email address, like the one that you see over here. Now, once a user completes this form, you'll receive their details on your backend. This is where the Usermaven identify function comes into play. It allows you to pass this valuable data. Let's suppose that this is the information that you got from the form. So the Usermaven identify function will enable you to pass this valuable data to Usermaven, enabling detailed analytics and insights. Now let's see how you can implement the identify function. In your Usermaven dashboard, navigate to Workspace Settings, Setup, and the second step right here. In case you're a new Usermaven user, you'll also see this very page in the Product Insights section as well. And this is where you'll find the identify function snippet. This code goes to your website right after the main Usermaven tracking script, but let's first break it down. So there are three major types of attributes. We have required attributes, recommended, and optional attributes. Required attributes include the user ID, email address, and the sign-up timestamp. Then recommended attributes include the first and last name, which help personalize your analytics. And then we have optional attributes. These can be anything relevant to your business, like a subscription plan or a user role. Remember that the more relevant data you send, the more insightful your analytics will be. In this case, let's just focus on the required and recommended attributes. So let's just copy these from over here and paste them at the backend. Here you go. Now, as discussed before, let's just say that these are the values that you got from the form. So we'll have to replace these values over here with these values right here. In case of ID, let's just let this one over here be as an example. This is the unique user ID that you get at the backend. Then we have email. Let's copy this from over here. Then we have created at. This is the date time string in your system that represents when the user first signed up. Let's just let this one over here be as well. Then we have the recommended attributes. For the first name, let's replace this with this sample first name over here. And this one with the last name right here. And you're done. You can also add custom events over here, such as from right here. Let's add the sign up event. This is important if you want to track the number of users that have signed up. And here you go. Now let's go back to our sign up page and add the relevant details over here. Once you're done, click on the check events button on your Usermaven dashboard and you should land in this page. Over here, you can create insights to get started with the product insights section. We have detailed videos coming up on each of these insights. So for now, let's just skip them. And you should land in this page. Now, if you wish to view specific user details, just go to the contacts hub section and you'll find your specific users over here. Just click on the particular user for a detailed view. And over here, you'll find all your user details. Once you've set this up, Usermaven will start collecting the rich user data. This will then be used to track user insights such as user engagement, power users, and user retention. To wrap up, implementing the identify function is a crucial step. It transforms anonymous visitors into known users, allowing you to tailor your product strategy based on real detailed user data. Without adding this, you won't be able to view the product insights in Usermaven. In our next video, we'll explore how to use this data to create powerful, actionable insights in Usermaven. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your analytics tools. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.